Channel. So today I'm back with another hair video. Today's wig is from Unice Hair and they sent me the 24-inch auto wave wig. This is a wear and go wig. So the wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, came pre-cut, and it came with some baby hairs as well. So yeah guys, it literally took me 2 to 3 minutes for me to install this wig. All I had to do was just to pop the wig on my head, and yeah, I really like the curl pattern. So if you guys want to see how I installed and defined the curls on this wig, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching.
Compared to me, respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be there 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. I'm a sorrow, poop off from home. Woke up in my diary, waru. Now you know how low-key I roll. Don't tell your bros, I'll vibe, you vibe, we vibe. Jealousy, nobody compared to me. Respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be there 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Compared to me, respectfully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play it carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be there 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see. Maybe I'll be too harsh, I know. They only wanna know how we do. Are you gonna be there for sure? That's only between us alone. carefully, but they know they come for free. Say you get to me, better play carefully. You need to cut it with a fake energy. Say you gonna be there for me. Will I be the 1 or 2 or 3? My life, you go never mess with me. Unless you did try and you go see.
Okay, so here is the finished look, and this wig is from Unice Hair. They sent me the 4.5 by 6 lace closure wigs, 6 inches going across, and it's 4.5 going down is what I'm guessing. So yeah, this is a wear and go wig, guys. When I tell you the plucking on this wig literally came ready for me to install straight out of the box. Like, I didn't really have to do too much to it. All I did was I just applied my foundation, and yeah, the wig came pre-plucked, it came pre-bleached, and it even came with some baby hairs done already. So like, I literally just had to pop this wig on my head. I did go ahead and use my bed head hairspray to, you know, lay the lace down, and I didn't really have to, but I chose to because, you know, I just wanted the lace to look really, really melted. So the hair is still a bit damp right now, so this is how it looks. And this is the water wave wig. It's a 220 density, but like I said, the wig is still quite damp, so I'm sure the hair's probably going to get bigger as it dries. So this is the water wave 24 inch 220 density. I love this wave pattern. I feel like it definitely gives island girl, like it's such a nice wave. So yeah, and the lace as well definitely melted. As you guys can see, the lace looks really, really good. So I feel like this wig is definitely perfect if you're a beginner, or if you're just looking for a quick and easy wig that you can install yourself. It comes pre-cut, it comes pre-bleached, and it comes pre-plucked as well, with some baby hairs as well. I really like the baby hairs. You guys know I'm not the greatest at doing baby hairs, so the fact that this comes with baby hairs already just makes my life a lot easier. So, and I really like the wave pattern, like I said. So yeah, you guys let me know what you think. I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.